This is going to be a voiceover because it is currently 8:38 in the morning. My mom loves to chat in the mornings to my sister and my nana, so this is going to be an everyday makeup tutorial. So I'm very excited to film this because I have a new product. Voiceover, here we go. So I'm casually putting in my headphones to jam out to my favorite music. I'm taking the Estee Lauder DAYWEAR Moisturizer and I'm just applying this all over my face. I literally go ham when I apply this on my face and even when I blend it in because I have really dry skin during the winter and my skin has to be looking glowy and it has to stay moisturized throughout the whole day, which this Estee Lauder moisturizer does all those lovely things, so I highly recommend getting this. Taking the Estee Lauder Concealer Duo and applying it to my under eyes and my eyelids, and I look like Avatar right here, but you know, it's okay, that's why we're blending stuff in. I'm taking the brush, I think it was hair in it, whatever, and I'm just blending away. Then I'm taking the Morphe palette. I don't know what palette this is, but I'll leave it in the link below. Taking these three colors, and I'm taking this blending brush. The first color I'm going to use is this really pretty orange color. So I'm just going to tap off the excess and create a transition on the crease area. And I finally learned to blend and make a transition. Like, look how pretty. Now I'm taking this brush and using those two colors. I'm only going to be applying this color to my eyelid area and as you see a little bit above, and I'm just going to be blending it in with that same blending brush. Now taking the eyeliner, brow, highlighter, and eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this white color and just put it in the inner tear duct and on my brow bone. So right here I was coughing up phlegm and I've been sick for 3 months. I'm taking the shade Light Contouring Kit in that only brown color I have and I'm just doing this like 3 shape motion and it makes me look tan. So now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Blush and making myself look more tan. Taking the Perricone MD Mascara. This is such a good mascara. Very expensive but makes your eyelashes grow. Highly recommend. Okay, just curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. This is literally the longest part of my makeup routine because I want my eyelashes to look as good as it did in this video, which is sometimes it's a hit or miss, but this day it was like, I mean, look how good, stunning. So this is the all-nighter spray. My camera was not cooperating with me. I don't know what the hell was going on, but it just started focusing, so yay. I sprayed a little bit too close. Anyway, I just put so much of that freaking all-nighter spray stuff to just hold in my eyelash placement that day because my eyelashes were popping. I mean, let's be real, they looked really good. That concludes my everyday makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like this video, comment what your favorite makeup product is, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next Friday. Positive vibes, stay happy, stay zen. Bye.